Hi, I'm going to cover some of the frequently asked questions we receive here at Elite Automation. What do I have to do as the client? What are my responsibilities? Well, with our Amazon FBA automation service, you have very minimal responsibilities after the initial onboarding process. We make sure your Amazon account is set up and ready to be successfully automated, whether it's brand new or an aged store transferred to our management. We set up your store with some of the nation's top home goods and apparel brands in the first 30 to 90 days during the onboarding period. How will I keep track of my profits and cost of goods sold? An added bonus to working with us is that we do all the heavy lifting for you. Aside from managing and growing your store, we also provide accounting services. We send our Amazon clients profit and loss statements each month. We also have our own branded app clients can log into at any time to check on their store's performance. How often will I be paid? Amazon pays out all of its sellers every 2 weeks or every 14 days approximately. How experienced is Elite Automation in managing stores for clients? No one working for Elite Automation has less than 5 years e-commerce experience. Our founder has nearly 8 years experience selling on Amazon and our co-founder has 6. We were among the first companies to offer Amazon FBA automation and one of the most reputable in the industry. How do you choose products for my store? Elite Automation uses cutting-edge product research methods and software to find and list inventory based on various factors, maximizing store profits. Our wholesale distribution partner provides us with great pricing. What does your management entail? We do all customer service, daily management and store monitoring, reporting and accounting of profits and expenses, picking and prepping items for shipment to Amazon, inventory management, product research, creating discount coupons, and so much more. I want a store now. How can I get started? All you need to do is click the Schedule a Call button on our website and fill out the form. Please show up to your call prepared with questions you may have about our services. We look forward to speaking with you.